Aloha, this is David Buck. I'm here to give you a quick tour of Ocean Ridge at Makakilo, unit number 204. This here is I'll show you real quick. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac. We are having it open today, just wrapping up here shortly. It's an end unit, and there is a ton of guest parking, as you'll see at the end of the cul-de-sac here. So I'm gonna flip this around in a second and give you a quick tour. Okay, here we are at unit 204. Got a nice, private walkway here, and you enter through a security screen door, front door, and this is the primo unit in the development. It was the original showcase developers unit when DR Horton was developing the project. Check out this backsplash, the stainless steel appliances. You have a nice pantry here on the left. Then on the right, you've got what could be a nice little breakfast nook, depending how you have it set up. But by being an end unit, you have these window features or window bank all along the side, which you don't get in the interior units. I won't spend too much time, but in the car, you do have, in the garage, you have a two-car garage. I'll just open the door real quick. And this is where your washer dryer is. And then you got a ton of room for storage. And then what you can see along the wall there is some of the guts for the solar PV that's up on the roof. And so with that PV, it's part of the NEM program with HECO. It's a leased system, but the electric bills after your lease payments are only $16 a month. So it's an incredible feature that's grandfathered in. Split air. I'm gonna come back to the exterior because that's the best place to wrap this up. But let me take a step back. You do have a half bath downstairs like most of the units here do. And storage underneath the stairwell, but what's fun about this setup here, they do have cats and it's a little kitty door. It's a great clever little way to hide the kitty litter. Wallpaper throughout. So it's a great, little hidden guest bath for entertaining. And then here we'll go up the stairs. Nice high vaulted ceilings. Open air. Here in the master bedroom, you got dual vanities. Sunken tub, great view out the window towards the ocean. I'll give you perspective here in a bit. Nice walk-in closet. So again, check out that high vaulted ceiling. Plantation shutters throughout. And then you've got a lot of privacy between here and the other bedrooms. And you got this nice little display area here and storage. More storage along the hallway here. Full bath here. Full shower tub. Hard surfaces here. And then once again, check out the high ceilings. And then you have your second bedroom. And what they've done is something clever here. They've removed the closet space and made it like a home office. So it kind of gives you a lot of options of what can be done here. And then here, you're in bedroom number 3. Once again, check out the plantation shutters. Here's your closet. And then we'll wrap up back downstairs with the view. Okay, here we are back downstairs. Check out this open concept on the kitchen. Walked through there earlier. Here's the great room, dining area, plantation shutters as well. But this is the lifestyle we're talking about here. This is where it's all at. We're on a nice, calm winter day. These are some beautiful upgrades my clients have done with the stone features throughout this enclosed yard space. It's a little more easterly facing, so you will not get that hot afternoon sun, which you do in a lot of places in Makakilo, which would be out that direction. But check out that view. Today's open house, we're just about to wrap up, but this is a winner and this is gonna go quick. Call me if you got any questions. Mahalo.